In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion full page. Have you ever opened a Notion workspace and noticed that some pages stretch elegantly across the screen, while yours feels a bit confined? If so, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transform any Notion page into a full-width layout, giving your workspace a more open, professional, and polished appearance. This small adjustment can make navigating your pages much easier, let you view more content at once, and create a cleaner overall design. To begin, open the Notion page you want to adjust. This could be anything: a personal planner, a team dashboard, a project tracker, or even a knowledge base. No matter what type of page it is, switching to full width will provide extra room for databases, images, galleries, or any content that feels cramped in the standard layout. You can think of it like adding counter space in a small kitchen. Suddenly you have plenty of room to spread out and work comfortably. With your page open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon made of 3 small dots in a row. This is the page menu, which houses many of Notion's customization options. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Don't worry if the list looks a bit overwhelming at first. We're only going to focus on one specific option. Within this menu, find the option labeled Full Width. It might show up as a toggle switch or a clickable link. By default, Notion pages have margins that keep the content centered, similar to the layout of a printed book. Activating full width allows your page to stretch across the entire browser window, using all available horizontal space. Click the toggle and your page will expand immediately. At first, the difference may seem small, but add a database, gallery, or some large images, and you'll notice how much more comfortable the layout feels. This adjustment is especially helpful when creating or customizing templates, since many professional Notion pages use full width for better readability and smoother navigation. If you prefer to return to the standard, centered layout, simply go back to the 3-dot menu and switch full width off. Notion remembers your preference for each page, giving you flexibility to customize each workspace to your needs. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can make any Notion page full width, dramatically improving the organization and visual appeal of your workspace. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.